New week, new YouTube video, and new apartment. Basically, I'm supposed to go back to my trading setup, resume trading, because the whole 2026 I haven't really been taking my life seriously, and I've been spending my saving. Oh man, yeah, but I'm probably gonna go back to my trading setup by next week. So this week right here is another vacation, and guess what? How did I take another 1 week vacation off? Is because I took a random trade and I made $400. So in today's video, I'm gonna break down that exact trade I took that made me that $400. And I'm also gonna explain to you guys and give you guys some advice how you can actually take your Forex life seriously in 2026 to be able to make money trading Forex. Are you excited? Let's dive into it. So basically, I took a buy on gold as usual. You guys know that I would never sell gold. I don't know if for the past 3 or 6 months I've even sold gold once. I've always been buying gold. And how did I take that trade? Was pretty simple. Price pull back to a breaker block. What did I do? Waited for price to pull back, tap there, and I bought. And by the way, I wasn't even expecting price to pull back there. I was on a call with my cousin and he was like, yo, did you see gold? Gold is selling like crazy. I was like, what? Now I opened my phone, I saw that gold was actually selling like crazy. So what did I do? I went ahead and took a buy and I made $400. And now I use that $400 to pay for this particular Airbnb right here. And now I took 1 more week off. So now the advice I'm gonna give you guys is pretty simple. Not just an advice, I'm gonna give you a whole roadmap that you can follow in 2026 if you want to make money from trading. But before I give you that roadmap, let's look at what I've actually done in 2025 that made me money, so you can also copy and replicate doing the same thing. So the real thing is, what was I trading last year? How was I trading last year? Which trading pair was I trading last year? I'm gonna tell you guys everything that made my 2025 successful, so you can also replicate it in 2026, right? Again, I've already explained that trade I took, and I hope you guys have learned something from it. Breaker block, entry, buy, boom, TP. There you go. Simple, right? So now in 2025, I've been trading one trading pair, right? The whole 2025, by the way, I only traded what? One single trading pair. And that trading pair was gold. And the reason why I'm trading gold, there's actually no reason, but you just have to choose one trading pairs that really works for you well, right? So if you want to trade Euro USD instead, you can trade Euro USD. But the advice I'm giving you guys here is, please do not trade a lot of trading pairs. Just take one and stick to it, right? Very simple. And by the way, the second thing is, was I trading a personal account or was I trading a Propfirm? You guys know me as like the king of payout. Like the whole 2025, every single month I've been getting at least minimum like $10,000 to $20,000 in payout. So basically, you guys know that I've been trading with Propfirm. So now, how did I choose my Propfirm? I've made a whole Propfirm series for you guys, so make sure you go and check the link below this video. You learn from my Propfirm series. It will actually help you to, like, start getting funded and really understand how Propfirm works and how you can make money trading Propfirm. Link below this video, and it's for free. I'm not charging you guys for anything. As I said, 2026, I'm not gonna charge you for crazy things. So that free Propfirm series is what? Free. The name is what? Free Propfirm series, right? Now, aside that, when you want to trade Propfirm, you want to choose the right Propfirm to trade with. The whole 2025, I've traded with a couple of Propfirm. Some of them went well, some of them did not went well. But yeah, if there's a Propfirm I want to recommend to you guys, is obviously going to be FundingPips. And as I'm making this video, they have 25% off on their account. So go and use the coupon code AstuceFX. You're gonna have a 25% off. And using 25% off, you can buy 100K that can cost anywhere from like 300 or even 270 something. So go ahead and buy your account very cheap, and go through my free Propfirm series as well for you to learn something really valuable from it, right? But not only I was trading Propfirm, I was also trading a personal account. For example, I made what? $400, and already I paid for this apartment that I've been there. So why? Is because when you trade personal account, it allows you to cash out that money instantly instead of like waiting for weeks to cash out with Propfirm. But the difference between trading personal account and trading Propfirm is that for me, I use Propfirm more of like an investment kind of thing, right? So if I'm trading with a Propfirm and I get a payout from a Propfirm, I mostly use that money for investment purposes. I can also use it to like take care of myself, but mostly it's investment, whether if I want to buy a new property or if I want to use it for something really important. But when I'm trading personal account, I trade it just because maybe I'm bored, I made money on my Propfirm account, and maybe I can just deposit $50, and then if I make $500 from that $50, I take it and just go and do something fun for myself. So I trade Propfirm mainly, and then when I make money from trading Propfirm and I feel like I'm bored, then I take some of the money, put into a personal broker, and then use it to trade. And basically that's how my 2025 has been successful, because I have a set of rules that I follow. And by the way, you need to get a profitable trading strategy as well. Profitable trading strategy, you can learn it online, or if you want, you can learn from someone that has been successful trading that strategy. Someone like me that have been getting payout, I've been making money from the market. So if you want to learn from me, again, as I told you guys, I'm not gonna take a crazy money from you guys. All it costs to learn my strategy right now is one PDF. You get one PDF that has everything, and you get my premium Discord as well. You get access to the Discord, you get access to that PDF. You learn through the PDF. You have questions, you can ask me on that Discord as well. How much does it cost? Only $15. $15 or 160 cedis. That's basically just a dinner in a restaurant. So you want to learn from me, all you need to do is just cancel that one dinner with your girlfriend and come and buy that PDF, and you'll be able to learn my strategy really well. And if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram as well. I think that would be pretty much it. As I told you guys, I took this week off and I still have my FundingPips account 4% in drawdown. Tomorrow I'm gonna take my last trade. If I do blow it, then I'm gonna just buy a new account using 25% off, and hopefully I pass that one as well. I'm gonna document it for you guys, because this new Airbnb I got here, they have this really nice chair, bro. The chair on my trading setup self is not like this, but this is like crazy. And I also have a whole desk. Like I have literally a whole trading setup right here, just messing with the light and maybe a second monitor, and I think that would be pretty much it. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready for the week. Today is Sunday. Probably you're watching this video on Monday already, so happy trading day, and hopefully you are gonna make money, right? So that would be pretty much it for this video. And by the way, I want to sponsor you to make money as well. So comment below this video like your plan. What is your plan to trade in 2026? And then I'm gonna choose a random winner, not just random. I'm gonna choose 2 random winners to give away FundingPips account. You're gonna get what, 5k FundingPips account. So go and comment below whatever you think of, and I'm gonna choose one of you guys to win something, right? And yeah, that would be pretty much it for this video. If you like this sort of content, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, if you want to get that 25% off with FundingPips, feel free to go and purchase an account with FundingPips right now, because I'm also trading with FundingPips. So let's see how much we can make from payout in 2026. By the way, I haven't gotten a single payout yet from FundingPips or any Propfirm this year yet. And yeah, probably you buy your account, and let's race. Let's see who's gonna get the most amount of payout in 2026. That would be pretty much it for this video. So see you guys on my next trading content.